sell this product. No, sell this product on Amazon. Did you know that there are two ways of selling products on Amazon? Let's get started. Yes, you heard it, two separate ways of selling products on Amazon. One known as selling new products, adding new products to the Amazon catalog, and the other one known as reselling, finding products that are already existing on the Amazon catalog and simply selling them. Now, the difference is quite clear when you log into this page, the Add Products page inside of Amazon Seller Central. As you can see, you can click on I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon, which means you're actually adding it into the Amazon catalog, or you simply search for a product that already exists in the Amazon catalog using the product name, UPC, AIN, ISBN, or the ASIN number, any way to identify it, and then you search for it and you upload it into your own catalog and try to resell it. As an example, I'm gonna search for this particular ASIN. I found it, I'm gonna click on the condition, and I'm just simply gonna add it into the catalog. As you can see here, this is the product. Amazon is just gonna ask me for a few more details, and then I'll be able and eligible to sell this product on my Amazon account. Now, there are pros and cons to selling your own products on Amazon or doing reselling. Let's focus on selling your own products on Amazon. First of all, you have full control of all of the listings, full control of the images, the content, the keywords, anything and everything is under your control. But second, with control comes responsibility, which means you are responsible for creating all of that content, even down to selecting the keywords that are going to appear in your product page. But third, I would say this is the best way to actually create a real business, a solid business that is totally under your control, which you can expand also beyond Amazon, or maybe even one day sell to a potential investor. But fourth of all, one of the things to focus on is, because it has so many requirements, this type of selling new products on Amazon, private label products on Amazon, does require a lot of skill and certainly requires a lot of effort. Now, on the other hand, doing reselling is also very important. However, it's also interesting to understand that it's a very fast-paced business because you can get started almost immediately since the products are already existing on Amazon. You also get started seeing results almost immediately because you normally select products that are doing quite well on Amazon, and then you become a reseller of those products, just adding another option from customers to purchase to customers so that they can purchase from you. Of course, it requires less overheads because you don't need to create the listing, you don't need to create the images, you don't need to create anything. All you need to do is to just find the product and find a good price for it so that you can compete with other sellers. But lastly, because of how easy it is to get started in this type of selling, it also is the highest competitive way of selling on Amazon because it does not require a lot of skills from people to sell this way, and thus you find a lot of sellers trying and testing out this way of selling. Now, it's not only important to know these things, you also need to understand how to technically list them. And we've got a great video that we did this year on the channel. I'll leave it right here. Go ahead and watch it. You'll find it linked in the description box of this video if you want to know the technicalities of what you need in order to list a product on Amazon. If you are enjoying the content, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment under this video because it helps us expand our channel to more entrepreneurs and sellers like yourself. Now, it's not only important to know how to list or what to sell on Amazon, it's also important to know how to make money selling on Amazon. If you've watched videos before on the channel, you hear me talk about a tool called Helium 10, which is a great tool for anyone that wants to explore selling on Amazon. However, today we're going to be looking at Amazon's own tool, which is called the Revenue Calculator, which can help you understand and analyze your fees. And I highly recommend and suggest that you actually use this tool prior to selling any product on Amazon. So I'm in the Revenue Calculator. This calculator is created by Amazon, and as you can see here, I've already added the water bottle that we used prior as an explanation or as an example. Right here, Amazon is giving me all of the details regarding the fees. One very important fee that you need to focus on is the referral fee. This is the commission that Amazon is going to take from any sale that you do on the Amazon platform, and the referral fee is based on a particular category and it's a percentage taken from your selling price. Right here, the selling price is 19 dirhams. If I were to change it up to 50, you'll see the fee actually changes to 6.50 dirhams. If you want more information, you can click on the I and it'll tell you that the category is sports, and thus it is taking 13% of my selling price, which is the 50 dirhams, which I just changed right now. Now, additionally, if you are fulfilling your products with Amazon, meaning you're using the FBA selling model, then you also have an FBA fulfillment cost, which in this case is 9.50. Again, click on the I and you'll understand how this has been calculated. As you can see here, they're giving me the dimensions of the bottle that we just saw together, telling me that the actually product size tier of the product is standard parcel, the shipping weight, and all of that. This is how Amazon deems and calculates what the FBA fee is going to be all about. And in this case, it's 9 dirhams and 50 fils. Now, this revenue calculator is great because it also can give you an idea quickly of what would be your net margin and your net profit. Right here, it's telling me if I were to sell the product at 50 dirhams. Now, mind you, it's not taking into consideration what is the cost of the product. So you would need to add the cost of the product. Let's say the product is costing me 20 dirhams altogether to ship to the Amazon UAE warehouse. So here it tells me that my net margin is 13.86 dirhams or 27% of profit. But also this does not take into consideration your miscellaneous fees and also does not take into consideration your ad fees, which are necessary if you are doing a private label selling, which means you are creating your own listing on Amazon and selling it on Amazon. If you are very new to Amazon and if you want more information, make sure that you check out our free masterclass linked in the description box of this video so that we can walk you through how the Amazon business works. And here are 3 ways that you can work with the Amazon Sellers Society, a certified Amazon service provider and ads agency based in Dubai and servicing all sellers on Amazon in the Middle East. You can enroll in our courses where you can learn how to sell on Amazon yourself. You can enroll in our Done For You program where we can help and support you launch your very own business on Amazon. Or if you are an existing seller on Amazon, you can enroll in our account management services, from PPC ads to listing optimization to cataloging, anything and everything you need as an Amazon seller. Make sure that you reach out to our team on our website www.assmiddleeast.org, book a call, and we'll guide you through everything that you require. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.